It's recording. This is Courtney Judd playing in the bath with a little toy.
She's so cute.
No, she is not on drugs. She's just on chill pills.
Hi, Ash. Ready,
And this
watch.
is Ashley Grogan
No,
early in the
guys,
morning.
Watch this. Look at her swim. Let's name it. His name's Fandango.
That's what it's like you name everything.
Do you want to get in the bath?
What?
Do you want to get in the bath?
No.
Damn. Ready? Ready? Swim, little fishy. And that's the end.